The PicsArt app on your phone, you hit the plus sign, get the photo that you want. Already made one, so all photos. Hit that one. Go to FX Effects, Artistic, Sketcher 1. Now you can keep this if you like, or you can click the Sketcher 1 button and then your edits will come up. You could just really play around with Magic 1. That's too much. Okay, once you find the perfect one that you want, just click apply, next, save, and then save it to your device. Okay, hit done. I could do another one for you real quick. So I'm going to click on my picture, FX Effects, Artistic, Sketcher 1, apply, next, save. Save on your device. Okay, and then once you go to it, you will have your picture. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.